Abasae mo director we company ya ALM Helen Luvindi nigobono wa hasabira Abasae gwesokia subongi tsariki kiando mutinyo igase county ya KISII unenjire mu yokwerikia herigo chikonyora igase ne mono hisko yense ukwana nensoko TV Helen nigobona atebire he nigere bunenjire yamo yokonekia Abasae nkwegenderia bare hasamagimab.
Helen Mwangi is a director with ALM Recruitment Agency. ALM Recruitment Agency is a registered company with the government, in the government laws. We are grateful that now we have a plan of starting a branch in KISII, and in this case we have an upcoming interviews where we need male warehouse helpers for Dubai. The warehouse they are also, as we know them as go-downs helpers. So we need only males that are at the age of 22 to 38. And in this case, this male candidate must have valid Kenyan passport and must be prepared to travel within a span of 1 month. The clients will come over. The delegates will come. Wale wenye watakuwa nachukua watu Waarabu atakuja wewe mwenyewe. Kuna Waarabu 3 watakuwa hapa KISII Ufanisi Resort, and they are very friendly because they want to get enough number of people. Kwa hivyo msiogope. Watu wanasikia interviews, they fear. So don't you fear, because it's just a helping position. When you go on the other side, you'll be shown what to do. So most of you, you're most welcome, and see you there at Ufanisi Resort on Thursday.